Guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, this is Mikestarwalker. We reenact fights, make our own choreographies and tutorials. For more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. If you haven't seen my basics video, make sure you do so you can learn the number system I'm referring to when I teach these choreographies. Alright, let's get started with the Anakin side. This is a pretty simple section, so you could probably go into this right after learning the basics. So you're going to start this off by attacking an 8 with one hand, then a 4. 8 again, 4 again. Now attack an 8, now a 9, then block a 2, then attack a 9 again, then attack an 8. From here you're going to push off. And now this is the part where they get out of the hallway and they go into the room with all the control panels. Then you're going to attack a 2, then a 1, then an 8, 9, 1, then an 8. From here, Obi-Wan is going to parry you into those control panels. Alright, let's do it again at half speed for the flow. So you're going to start with an 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 9, block 2, 9, 8. Push off, then attack 2, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8. Obi-Wan parries you into the control panels. Alright, so let's get started with the Obi-Wan side. Start by blocking an 8, then a 4, block an 8 again, then a 4, now block an 8 again, parry the 9, attack a 2, parry the 9 again, block an 8, then you're going to get pushed back, and this is the part where they get out of the hallway and they enter that big room with the control panels. Then you're going to block a 2, 1, 8, parry the 9, block a 1, block an 8, and parry this down and around to hit the control panel. One more time at half speed for the flow. So block an 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, parry 9, attack 2, parry 9, block 8, get pushed back, then block a 2, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, and parry it into the control panel. Before attempting full speed, make sure you and your partner are very comfortable with the choreography. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. We got a lot more stuff planned, and we appreciate all the subs and likes and support you guys have been giving us. Hope you guys have a great day, and may the Force be with you.